Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious New Zealand pie. First, let's prepare the pastry. For the base, you'll want a rich, flaky short crust. Use about 250 grams of very cold butter, cut into small cubes, and quickly work it into your flour mixture. This ensures a tender, crisp crust. Roll out your pastry to approximately 3 millimeters thick, then carefully line your pie dish, allowing a slight overhang for sealing later. Now let's create the hearty filling, often the star of a New Zealand pie. Start by browning about 500 grams of good quality beef mince in a pan until it's nicely caramelized. Drain any excess fat, then add 1 finely diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until fragrant. Stir in 1 cup of rich beef stock and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, simmering until the mixture thickens slightly. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. With your filling ready and cooled, it's time to assemble your pie. Carefully spoon the savory meat mixture evenly into your pastry-lined pie dish, ensuring it's spread right to the edges. Next, brush the overhanging edges of your bottom pastry with a little egg wash. This acts as a glue. Then, gently place a sheet of puff pastry over the top, pressing down firmly around the edges to seal it completely. Trim any excess pastry for a neat finish. Finally, it's time to bake your magnificent New Zealand pie to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Place the pie in the hot oven for the first 20 minutes to achieve a lovely crisp crust. Then, reduce the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and continue baking for another 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Let it rest for 10 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.